Adjustable pedestals allows to create raised floating decks and paving. Pedestals allows for stepless height regulation. On adjustable pedestals, you can lay terrace tiles made from ceramic, stone, concrete, etc. On adjustable pedestals, you can also lay decking joists. Joists can be fixed to the pedestals with screw with help of pedestal joist adapter. Adjustable supports can be used with height couples, which allows to raise pedestal height up to 420 millimeters. Adjustable height pedestals has additional self-leveling head, which compensates slope on the ground up to 7%. With adjustable pedestals, you will easily create terrace. With stepless height regulation, pedestals allows to raise deck on the desired height easily. With pedestals, you can level joist for wood and composite decking terrace. When beams are raised on a desired height, laying decking planks will go smoothly. In a short time, you can enjoy your new everlasting terrace raised on adjustable pedestals.